Yan. It's a school for smaller children.
Oh.
So, minsan nag-a-assist siya sa mga teachers. Sometimes he cleans, you know. And then they get paid.
They get paid.
Yeah, para they know
Yeah,
the
their
feeling of that.
value.
Yeah, their value. Okay? So, that's what's important to me
Yan yung
here.
hinabol mo.
Yan ang hinabol ko.
And
Yung,
you got it.
yes.
Did you pray for it?
Super.
Hmm.
Every day,
Every single day.
every single time I pray for it, for him to, succeed. And I don't care if he gets like a 3-hour job. I just want him
Yeah,
to
of
be
course.
fulfilled.
Yeah.
Because when they said, when he did this internship, they asked him, syempre you make an account for him, right? He
Yeah.
has a savings. Sabi, do you want a direct deposit or do you want us to mail your check? Alam mo gusto, sabi ko, you decide, what do you want? Because I make him do decisions
Yeah.
too. I'm just there to
So
support
you are talking to him as if
an adult.
an adult. As
Yeah.
an adult.
As an adult.
Kasama yun sa training.
Kasama sa training.
Kasama yun sa training.
Kasama sa training yun. Anong gusto mo sa sweldo mo? Sabi niya, male. Siyempre ako ayoko sana ng male, pero that's what he wants. He said male. That's what he wants. Let's respect what he wants. Ganun ako. So feel niya kasi ngayon nakikita niya yung paycheck.
Yeah.
At saka yung pay stub niya. So
Yeah.
tinuturo
Naku,
ko sa
sabi
kanya.
ko na nga ba, alam mo, ako may pagka-ano din ako. Hindi lang ako, undiagnosed lang ako.
Kala mo lang yun.
Undiagnosed lang ako,
Oo.
pero may ganyan akong factor. May mga ganyan.
Oo.
Na-realize ko na lang all the
Ngayon.
time, mga kaganyan. May nagsasabi sa akin ng ganyan na parang, naku, parang ganun din ako. I always, meron ako may mga ganyan akong factor. Yung
Na,
gusto
parang
ko
pag nakikita mo, di ba? Iba yung feeling.
oo. Kaya ayoko
Iba yung
ng-
satisfaction.
Usually, ayoko ng mga, yung sa email. Gusto ko talaga by mail. Iba rin ang epekto sa akin.
Ako rin, like when they say, we'll email you the script, can you print it? Ganon din ako. Parang, ayoko nang ginagano.
Oo. Old school eh, no? Part ng old
Yeah,
school
it's
din natin.
better to read kasi like, okay, they have, what's this book when you like, yung parang iPod na book?
Yeah.
Yung
Yung,
iPad book, what do you
oo,
call that book?
Kindle.
I cannot appreciate it.
Ako din.
Ang gusto ko hardbound books.
Ako din.
So ako yung mga suki sa library or sa mga like Barnes and Nobles, ganyan. I'll buy the book. I'll
Yeah.
read the book.
Yeah.
I like the smell.
Ako din. Ganyan ako.
So alam niyo na mga special children din kami.
Mga batang 90s. Okay. Kailan mo nalaman
Na
na
siya?
merong may condition,
may condition,
ang anak
okay.
mo?
The first, what's this? What do you call this? The first step to curing them or
No, kailangan mo
helping them
nalaman. Kailan mo
Okay.
nalaman yung
is acceptance, ha? Yan ang
Ha?
sinabi ko. To be able to help your special children, acceptance ang una.
correct.
That's
Pero
why.
bago pa ang acceptance,
Paano
nung
ko
nalaman
nalaman?
Mo, gusto ko na
Okay.
gusto kong maano yung paano
At 5 months,
At 5 months
baby.
old.
Baby
How did
siya.
you know? How did you know?
I saw his hands.
What's wrong
Okay.
with the hands?
Kasi may mga milestones ang babies. At this age, you crawl. At this age, you sit. Ganyan.
And this is your second baby, di ba? Meron ka
And
ng
it's
first
my
baby.
second baby.
So may alam ka na, meron ka
Oo,
ng pinagbabasihan.
May pinagbabasihan na ako. At saka, pediatrician yung sister ko. So,
Okay.
alam ko yan. At 5 months old, nakabukas na dapat ang 2 kamay. Okay?
At 5 months old. Nakaganyan.
Bumubukas
Guys,
na
marami
yan,
kayong
ha?
natututunan
Bumubukas
dito
na
para
yan.
alam nyo rin
Ang
na
kamay ng
nangyayari.
anak ko, yung kanan nakabukas, yung kaliwa ganito.
Laging nakagano.
Laging nakaganyan. Sabi ko, may problema to.
That was the first manifestation.
Yes. And I said, there's a problem with my child. So I told my sister. My sister is the one who's in denial. Maarte daw ako, OA daw
hindi
ako.
yan.
Masyado
At
lang
usually
ako,
ganon, diba?
ikino-compare
Praning.
ko daw dun sa firstborn ko.
Yeah,
Ang babae
yeah,
talaga mas
yeah.
mabilis mag-develop. Sabi ko, no. Sabi ko, sige, dali na lang natin sa neuro.
Mother instinct.
Oo, dinala namin sa neurologist. So, daming test, yung mga brains, ganyan, ginagano siya. Tapos sabi nung neurologist, neuro to, especially sabi sa sister ko, hoy, Sally, hindi OA yung kapatid mo. Only a mother can see it.
Kaya.
Yes, may delay yung bata.
It's the mother instinct.
Sabi may physical delay. So, at 6 months old, nagpi-physical therapy siya para maging on par ang physical ability niya. So, at 1 year old, normal na siya sa physical.
Sa physical, at least in the physical.
At least in the physical. Tapos nagko-complain na ako, ba't di pa nagsasalita?
So, ano sabi sa'yo noon at that time? Ano
Wala
na,
pa.
intellectual
Hindi
disability? Wala pa. Basta meron
Basta
lang
may
delay.
physical lang, tapos nag-therapy
So, hindi
siya,
pa
tapos una
diagnosed.
speech.
Yeah.
Hindi, mayroon na siyang developmental, dinala ko na rin, kasi nga, ba't di nagsasalita? Hindi, ganyan. So, at a very young age, as in nursery, mga ganon, nursery age niya, meron na siyang developmental doctor. Nung una, it's just delayed. And then it became to learning disability. Learning disability lang. Yung parang mahina lang yung
Yeah.
mag-pick up. Habang
Oo.
tumatagal, doon na lumabas yung intellectual disability. As you age.
As you age. Doon
Kasi
pa lang
nung una,
magmamahal.
learning disability
Oo,
lang. Parang
oo.
disabled lang siyang...
Akala mo una
Kasi,
physical. Una physical lang muna. And then learning.
Then speech. Then,
And then speech.
Then yung learning.
So,
and then
at what age na diagnose na intellectual disability?
Teka, grade school eh. So,
Did you have-
syempre, napasigaw pa nga ako nung sinabi yun eh. Kasi, sabi ko, what is intellectual disability? Sabi niya, kasi yun na ngayon ang politically correct term. Pero ang intellectual disability in layman's term,
Okay.
yun yung tinatawag na
Okay.
mental retardation.
Oh.
We have this stigma kasi that when you say that a child is mentally retarded, yung
Yeah, yung merong ano din,
Oo,
may
may
physical,
defect,
may physical
No,
defect din.
that's not real. That's not true.
It's not always the case.
Yes.
Or maybe, baka kung hindi mo siya na,
Mag-iiba din? Hindi rin.
nung hindi mo siya, no, kasi inano mo siya kaagad sa physical.
Hindi kasi yung mukha niya ng baby, hindi talaga eh.
Hindi naman.
Kasi yung mga ganon, makikita
na,
mo kagad.
paglabas
oo.
ka agad. Correct.
Pero ito
correct.
hindi.
Yeah.
So that's why they have a term now that they call intellectual disability
I
because of the
see.
stigma.
I see. So, nalaman mo at what age?
How old was he? Siguro mga ano pa lang siya nun eh. I learned it around mga 7, 8,
7
ganyan.
years old. And what was the manifestation? Mahina sa school.
Sa tests. May test na binibigay yan eh.
Pero noon, ano na, hindi na
Sa
siya
school na meron
hindi
na
na siya
siyang-
tinuturing na normal.
Yes,
Hindi na.
meron na siya parating shadow teacher.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And then mahina talaga. Hindi nakakako.
Hindi mabilis. Tapos meron pa siyang dyslexia.
Ah,
So, yung hindi siya
hindi
makabasa
siya
kasi
makabasa.
yung nagra-rumble yung,
Yeah.
yung words,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
So, he hates reading. Okay.
So, what was your initial reaction?
Well, at first, when I said, what's intellectual disability? And he goes, nung sinabing mo, what? Gumanon ako. Siyempre parang iiyak na ako kasi yung stigma nga.
Yeah.
And then, in-explain sa akin, sabi ko, oh no, it's okay. We'll deal with it. I'll do it. So, what I did to help him more, and I went back to school.
You went back to school.
Yes.
Pinag-aralan mo.
Every Sunday, I went to a special educations class because I wanted to be able to help my son more.
Ikaw
The page
mismo, hindi mo iaasa.
Hindi. Kasi the teachers are like the parents
Of course.
when
But
you
iba
know
pa
they're
rin
in
ng
school,
nanay.
okay?
At gusto ko itong maintindihan ng mga nanonood
Oo.
sa atin. because
Importante po kasi ang suporta sa bahay. Okay?
ng nanay mismo.
Hindi lang ng nanay, pati ng mga
Of
kapatid,
course,
ng tatay, no?
Of course.
So pag nakita kasi ng kapatid at ng asawa o ng tatay na ikaw mismo na nanay ginagawa mo itong sakripisyong ito para sa anak mo, they will go out of their way too.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's why my daughter, oh my God, the way they adore each other and the way my daughter supports him, oh my God, when he graduated K-12 and then we called him and go, hey, she went like that. And then gumanyan ako yung hug.
Yeah.
Tumakbo siya. Akala mo ba ako yinakap? Ate, ang yinakap. Ate niya ang yinakap. So, binidyo ko sila and they were crying, both of them. My daughter was so proud.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I have to commend you on that. Kasi sa nanay, lahat nagmumula yan. I really wanna hug you now. Mamaya i-hug kita. Pero honestly...
Kasi talaga, alam mo, dapat hindi lang ang nanay. Kasi Kaya nga
sure,
tinatawag
pera sa
na ang mga
nanay.
nanay ay ilaw ng tahanan because we have to be their light. We have to be their lighthouse, their guiding light
Correct.
for their life. You know, we have to be there to assist them,
Yeah, for sure.
to support them.
That's why I want to congratulate you and
Thank
commend you kasi it is very devastating, I guess. Para malaman,
it hurts,
diba?
you
Hindi
know.
ka ba natakot na paano na ang future nitong anak ko?
Hindi. Kaya nga, ginagawa ko ang lahat dito para matuto siya. Dahil sabi ko nga, hindi kami lagi nandito.
Oo.
One of these days.
Of
you
course, di ba?
And-
Ngayon, alam mo, listening to you now and daming tumatakbo sa utak ko na it must be scary.
Oh, you have
Because
to think.
you know na
Yeah, one of these days.
Diba?
Kaya nga nakabilin na to sa ate. And you know what's nice with my daughter said? Sabi ko, the only thing, I know you love your brother so much and you'll take care of him, you'll do anything for him. What scares me is what if you get married
Yeah.
and then your husband doesn't,
Yeah.
sabi niya, Mom, I will not marry a guy who doesn't like my brother.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Sabi ko, but let's say he loves your brother, but you will have children too. Of course, my children are my children. He can help me take care of the children because he loves kids. He loves children. Kaya nga, they put him in that school. Kasi maliliit na bata.
And you said now he's like your PA.
He is my PA. He's
And I
here
can
right now,
see-
actually.
Yeah, and I can see kanina pinapaupo ka niya. He's such a gentleman.
He holds my, every day yan, Mommy, where's your keys? Ay, yeah, my keys, it's in the bag.
Yeah.
Aalis na ako, Mommy. Oh, phone mo.
So are you
so-
always together?
Yes,
You're always together.
Actually, I make him decide. I did not apply for anything na parang I will handle everything, no? But I make him do the decision. But when it comes to finances, he assigned me dealing with some important offices here in the United States. They asked him and they said, Mommy.
Yeah.
I did not tell him to assign me.
Of course, but sino
Diba?
pa?
Hindi, pero kasi ako driver niya. So anyway, when it comes to important medical decisions,
Oo.
I let him decide. I said, do you want to take the shot? He'll look at me first. Kailangan ko. Tatagalogin niya. Kailangan ko siya. Actually, oo. Okay, I'll do it. Ganon. I make him decide. But
Yeah.
because I know him for a fact that he's very respectful and he respects my decision or my opinion. So before he does anything, he asks me.
Yes. I see. So that you have that kind of bond.
Yes, that's why I'm confident with him. Na, hindi ko kailangan yung mga magiging court case pa yan, mag-aaway pa kayo pag
Yeah.
tumandayan yung mga conservator. Ay, nako,
Yeah.
pag-aawayan nyo pang mag-ina yan.
What is
High functioning naman tong anak
correct?
ko.
And that is, yun yung tinatrabaho
Yun ang
mo sa
gusto
kanya.
ko.
At yun yung gusto kong maintindihan ng audience natin na pag meron po tayong mga anak, ang tawag natin dyan, mga special kids,
Our
Oo,
special
special
children,
child.
our angels.
they are
yeah.
special. They are not in any way different from us,
No.
but they are special.
They're special. They are not a burden. They're actually gifts from God.
But they need help. Kaya
need
gusto ko tong
your
conversation
support.
na to. The support.
The push.
Means a lot.
You be the first cheerleader for them.
Correct.
Kahit na
You
simple
can
award,
make,
yes.
I don't know, but you can make or break them.
Exactly. Yes. That's why I'm very proud of my boy because, he always gets praises from teachers. I get letters saying that they are so proud of him because he was the guide, the school guide. Tinur daw niya lahat ng mga LAUSD officers sa school. And your son is so he's so, good. We're so proud of him. It's a note and, to me, it's
Yeah, of
like, oh my
course.
God. At syempre,
Yeah.
at isa lang ang tumutulo doon, dito lang sa kaliwa.
Very lang, Hilda
Oo,
Coronel.
very ganon. Dito
Nandito
lang ang
ang camera,
kakaliwa. Kasi ito yung
ha?
camera.
Nandito ang
Hindi,
camera.
nakatago Nakatago. Hindi niya dapat makita.
Ayaw pakita.
Oo.
Okay. So, what is your ultimate goal for him?
My ultimate goal for him is one of these days, he'll start working in a job that he really likes. It doesn't matter if it's long. I hope he doesn't get scared and he'll learn how to drive.
So, meron chance na matutunan
Ayaw
ka?
niya.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya talaga. Kasi nga may mga fears yan.
Right.
So, I
right.
hope he conquers that fear, and he conquers his fear of crossing the street.
Okay.
And my ultimate dream for him is to be very, very happy in his life. That's it. Either with someone or not, I don't care.
Yeah,
As long as he's happy and proud of himself. Oh, are you crying?
He is crying. Oh my.
Do you want to see my son?
Oo nga. Come here.
AJ,
you
come.
want-
AJ, come on, I'll introduce you to...
Oo.
Tanggalin mo muna yung mga bag mo, ilagay mo dyan. Tagalog ko po siya kinakausap kasi magaling siya magtagalog. Ayoko makalimutan niya. Mahusay magtagalog to. Come here, AJ. Oh, why are you crying?
And he can understand. Hi, AJ.
This is my baby boy. Come here. Come here, AJ. Dito ka. You can... Here, sit here. I will move this. Come here, sit here. Ganyan. Oh, hindi yan magigiba. Ayan, this is my son, AJ. Say hi. Hi. This is my son. This is my boy. This is AJ. He's my inspiration. He's the love of my life.
He's your strength.
Oh, yeah. My super strength.
Yeah.
Oh, ba't ka umiyak? Kasi proud ako sa'yo. You're proud of me also. Ano ba?
And you're such a good boy.
Oh, super.
I'm proud of you also. I'm so happy to meet you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, you're most welcome.
Oh, you wanna sit there na? Oh, give Mami kissy for. Huwag ka maya.
Huwag na, nahihiya na eh. Binata na eh.
Kisses me on ano. Sige, upo ka muna doon, anak.
Yan naman ng
See?
Diba?
I mean, others will not. Look at him.
course.
Come here.
Yeah.
He's confident.
And I see wala akong nakikitang Alam mo yun, kung hindi mo sa akin sinasabi.
Hindi mo iisipin. That's
hindi
what everybody says.
Hindi mo iisipin.
Kasi I remember yan, meron kami, like, sa airport. You pass through TSA, right? Siyempre, dadaan ka sa x-ray, ganyan. Eh, di siya na. Sabi ko, go. Siyempre, natatakot siya. Go. Tapos nagagalit ng TSA. Come on! Sabi ko, excuse me. He's a special child. Oh, you can go with him. Yun lang ang maganda dito. When you say that, the way they are treated,
correct.
with respect
Kaya
na.
tama nga talaga yung decision mo. Hindi naman natin minamaliit ang Pilipinas. Pero talagang
kaya lang, aminin natin, sino ang mag-hire sa kanila sa mga special children sa Pilipinas?
Wala. Ay, mahirap eh. Wala talaga
Yun lang sana.
Wala talagang programa.
Pangarap ko yun, no? Na kung eventually, makapagtayo man lang sana ako doon ng little coffee shop. At ang aking talagang i-hire mga special children lang.
Wow, and that is a very good idea.
Because here, dito sa Amerika, marami pong mga businesses na may program talaga na ang hinahire nila.
Yeah, I mean, ang dami ko na sa mga...
Sa mga grocery usually.
Target
Ralph's, Target,
mga special...
WSS, CVS. Meron silang mga ganyan na trainees na
And what is commendable to you is you really parang hinanap mo talaga kung saan mo matutulungan yung anak mo.
Natural.
No?
Kasi nung sa Pilipinas tayo, natutulungan ko siya sa mga gamot niya, sa edukasyon niya. Natulungan ko sila kasi maganda naman ang buhay, no? Kaya lang nung tumatanda na, sandali lang.
Kasi ang gusto kong banggitin dyan para share natin sa iba. Para sa akin kasi yun yung right kind of love. Hindi ko inaano yung iba, pero yung iba kasi yung ginagawang sobrang dependent sa kanila because mahal ko to, ganyan. Pero hindi ganun no? You have to teach them how to be independent because you
are not there forever.
And that is, I think that is the correct way to
we have to teach them independence. Show them that we are so proud of what they do. Give them chores. Not naman the hardest chores ever.
Yung kaya nila.
Yung kakayanan nila. Dati, walang alam na chores yan.
At para rin.
Ngayon, oh my God.
Diba?
He does the cleaning in the house.
Talaga?
Oo. Siya nagva-vacuum. And then when it comes to throwing of the trash, siya yan.
Siya lahat.
Tapos, get this, get that. And, excuse me, siya ho ang pinakamagaling magsaing sa amin.
Oh, talaga?
Siya. Kaya parati kaming, because he comes home.
Magkakasama pa ba kayo sa bahay?
All of us.
Happy
Alam mo naman ang pamilya, diba? Kailangan magkakasama kayo. And my son, it's his first time to take the school bus kasi dati, Even if he was in school, hinahatid sundo namin siya, no? And the father works in the same school as he was studying noon, no? But now, hindi na, because different school na yung tatay, so different siya. So I enrolled him in a school bus. The father didn't want to, and I said, no. He has to take the school bus because he has to learn independence at saka
yung mag-isa ka lang siya, makisocialize,
makisocialize, at saka how to deal with these people, like paano kung itulak siya, paano siya re-react. Kaya dapat makakaya niyang independent sarili niya, no? So I went to school.
And still a safe space.
A safe space, because it's a school bus.
Correct.
So I went to the school, I wrote, yung may pinirmahan ako na since my son is 18, I'm giving him the independence. He should be able to ride the bus without a parent waiting. Kasi dito ang special children, pag nag-school bus, kailangan may guardian Pag pasok at pag uwi, may nag-aabang. Pero ako, pinirmahan ko talaga na...
Gusto mo talaga siya maging
ay, talagang na
hindi
mag-isa
ka overprotective in that sense. Hindi ka natatakot?
Anong hindi? Tignan mo yung kwintas niya. Ano sa tingin mo yung kwintas niyang yan?
Ano yun?
What do you call that? Yung tracker.
Yung naka-tracker.
Naka-Apple. yung what do you call that? And then, meron akong app. So, tinitignan ko kung nasa na siya. Meron ako noon. Kasi nga,
so yan yung, ang nakikita nyo po mga guys, ang napapakinggan nyo is how to be a mother to a special child, no?
And how to give them independence and support and show them that they can. And yet, meron kang secret of...
Hindi kasi pwedeng hindi.
Diba?
Tama.
So, he has that. But, we taught him like, we all leave for work. So, mag-isa siya naiiwan sa bahay and then lock the door. Ilalak niya bago siya bumaba sa school bus. Train namin siya, di ba?
Alam na rin
In his phone, may alarm yan. Like, 8 o'clock, bababa na ako. I'll stay in the lobby. 8:15, I'll go out of the gate. And then my bus is coming.
Wow.
Ganon. So may alarm siya. Ngayon, alam niya na. Hindi na nga niya, inuunahan na nga niya yung alarm niya. I'll go down na. It's too early, anak. Stay here first. I just want to wait downstairs.
Wow. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
I really want to congratulate you.
And he comes home alone, ha? Papasok siya sa bahay, lalak niya yung door. Tapos tatawagin ko minsan, Mommy, can I eat this and that? Yeah, go ahead, painit mo lang. And then, anak, magsaing ka na, ha? Kasi ganito, ganyan. Okay.
Wow. And that's how you envisioned it.
Yes.
Kasi kung hindi ka pumunta dito.
Ang susunod, ituturuan na, natatakot pa siya magprito Pero hindi. One time he cooked. You know what? He's so proud because he cooked the dinner.
Wow.
Yung ulam. What he did was...
Anong ulam?
Enoki mushroom. Binalot niya sa bacon. Lagyan niya ng toothpick. Tapos...
Gourmet!
Tapos sinagay sa air fryer. Tapos tinuruan lang siya ng timer ng tatay niya. Tinimeran lang. AJ, tignan mo lang kung okay na.
Baka maging chef pa to.
Gusto niya.
Why not?
No? Kaya lang medyo takot pa siya sa mga knife. So I'm thinking of... Yeah, but I was thinking of getting him this... May mga knife friendly na hindi magkakat.
Gotcha.
Na pang talaga cooking.
Okay, so moving forward since nandito ka na, ang dami mong, ito yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, it's more than, kasi meron ka talagang, hindi ka nagpunta dito sa America just to have a change of environment.
No,
you have a goal.
Or like one of those showbiz personalities na I'm in America to do Hollywood. No.
Yeah. So meron ka talagang goal na this is what's gonna happen.
Yes.
So have you totally adjusted?
You know what's funny? It's like everybody's asking me about that, but in the Philippines pa kasi, I clean my own room.
So wala ka mga yaya doon? Kasi natatanong ko, adjusted ka na, walang yaya, walang driver, walang kahit ano.
I drive myself. I never had
in Manila?
Yes. I drive myself. I carry my own things. I only have a PA when it's like shooting or like out of town.
Alam mo yan ang pangarap ko noong araw. Hindi ako nag-succeed.
Bakit? May driver ka. May PA ka.
Kasi nga parang pag ginagawa ko, hirap na hirap ako after. You know what I mean? Yung parang,
okay, I carry my own things.
Next week, mag-PA na ako ulit. Yung parang ganyan. Pero I always try and I failed all the time. I
drive my own self. That's why I had no problem adjusting to driving here.
Ako naman, I love driving. Pero talaga ako, I must admit, ngayon dito, Namimiss ko kasi mag-isa naman ako dito. Ang hirap naman kasi no, 'di ba? Ang masarap kasi sa inyo.
May pamilya ako.
Sabi ko nga dito sa Amerika, it's always good when you have a family
But
kasi it bonds the family.
Exactly. And
no?
you know, if there's one thing that I really miss, like ikaw yung mga yaya PAs, I never had naman that. You know, the driver, I did have a driver for my children. Sometimes if it's out of town, I'll use them kasi medyo matutulog ka, 'di ba? But
exactly.
You know, otherwise, what I really miss?
What?
My angels, may kasambahay in the house because namimiss ko yung pagising ko sa umaga, naka-ready na yung kape ko.
Girl, pareho tayo.
Yun ang namimiss ko. At saka yung, ang gusto kong ulam, ganito, ganyan na. Yung pagdating mo, may ulam na.
May kwento na ko dyan.
Yung,
di ba sabi ko, dito sa Amerika, ang sarap ng buhay kasi push button lahat, di ba? Vacuum, washing machine, everything.
Lahat.
But, it can be better than in Manila.
Nothing better.
Nothing. Why? Because in Manila, it's almost like magic.
Oo.
Diba? Yung pagising mo na umaga,
may pagkain ka
paglabas mo ng kwarto, may kape ka na. Tapos, pagkakapin mo, pagbalik mo ng kwarto, nakalikpit na yung kama mo.
Correct.
Diba? Maliligo ka, pagligo mo, pagbalik mo ng banyo, malinis na yung banyo mo. At ang damit mo, next mo makikita yon sa cabinet na. Diba? Yung magic.
At saka pagbukas mo ng cabinet mo, nakatupi na sila lahat.
Exactly.
Nakahang na. At planchado.
At pag tinabi mong, I wanna eat, may kasunod po, ano pong gusto nyong kainin?
Exactly.
Diba? Hindi rin basta I wanna eat. At meron pa hindi pa yung gusto mo kainin. Pag sinabi mo, okay, sinigang, okay po. Ano pong gusto nyo? Baka? Baboy? Isda? Hipon? Ang daming choices. Samantalang
exactly.
Dito. Diba yun?
Tapos, eto pa ang maganda. Doon pa, yung, like I said, I drive my own self. Sa Philippines pa, no? Pero pag sakay ko ng kotse, laging sparkling clean yun.
Yung pa isa. Yung pagdating mo ng kotse.
Dito, pag nakita niyo yung kotse ko, parang ilang buwan mo nang hindi pinakarwas.
Girl, pareho tayo. Bigay mo sa akin yan. Kasi talaga, ang hirap-hirap. Sabi nga nila sa akin dito, bakit ka hindi nagbigay ng weight? O subukan yung kayong gumawa lahat.
Bakit
kayo
ako? Ganun pa rin.
Hindi pa rin ikaw lahat eh.
Hindi.
Kasi may pamilya eh.
At saka hindi ako marunong magluto, okay?
Kita mo.
Hindi, marunong ako, natuto na rin ako ngayon, okay?
So, sino nagluluto?
Yung asawa, yung
The
lalaki.
husband.
Siyang magaling magluto.
Lagi naman ganon.
Sila magaling magluto. Linis, kwarto ko, linis ko. Kwarto ng anak ko, linis niya. Sala, asawa. Pero banyo, ako. Laba, asawa. Tapos, hindi, boys, girls. So, yung daughter ko, ang tagalaba. Kasi nga, I have back problems. So, alam niyang masakit sa akin pagka nagbe-bend. So, parati siya nagpipresentang siya maglalaba. Pero meron palang yon.
Ano?
Meron palang underlying.
Anong underlying?
Ang ginagamit niya po sa paglalaba yung app ko. So, akong naglo-load dapat ng pera.
Syempre na, siya na yung naglaba eh.
Mauta! Akala ko pa naman
Division of labor.
Akala ko pa naman nung una niyang sinabi niya, Mommy, no, let Daddy wash all the boys' clothes. Don't share your clothes with them. Kasi amoy daw, iba. Sabi, I'll wash your clothes. Oh, thank you, anak.
But,
pagtapos nung maglalaba ko one time, pag ko, bakit wala nang laban yung
Siyempre.
Saka bakit naka-log out yung sa app ko? Yung pala. Sabi niya, tinitira niya. So, since nasanay na ako sa ganon, sabihin ko, kami kasi ng daughter ko, we wash our clothes every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay? Para gumalaw.
Yung
asawa ko at saka anak ko, si AJ, they wash it every week. Kasi,
every week.
Pawisin. Palit ng palit. So, ang dami nilang
damit. At saka
damit.
pag namawis, mabaho.
At saka may amoy talaga ang lalaki. Aminin natin.
Talaga,
may iba talaga.
Meron talaga, no?
I mean, tayong mga babae, meron din, pero iba yung kanila.
Hindi yung
amoy araw na.
May pawis, amoy tao. Tawag ko dyan, amoy tao.
At least okay lang yung amoy tao kesa sa amoy basahang basa na naitago sa tokador. Alam mo, mas mabantot yun. Pero yung amoy tao, tama.
But in any case, so yan yung sinasabi ko, na biruin mo, di ba? Yung pag single ka dito sa Amerika, grabe, napakahirap, Ruby.
Kasi pag hubad mo ng damit mo, ilalagay mo sa sa Maynila.
Hindi gagalaw.
Hindi gagalaw
pati lahat,
yun.
pati ang kusina. Kailangan
Pati
pag
linis.
nagluto ka, linis. Lahat walang gagalaw, girl. So, napakahirap ng maging single dito
Mahirap,
sa
lalo na
Amerika.
pagka hindi ka sanay sa gawaing bahay. Buti na lang ako, Pilipinas pa lang po, mahilig talaga ako maglinis.
Ako naman, talagang, kung ikaw ang purpose mo pumunta ka ng Amerika because of your family, because of your children, ako naman, ang reason ko na pumunta ako dito sa Amerika, turuan ko ang sarili ko na matuto, mabuhay mag-isa.
Kasi you're dependent
dumating ako sa punto noon, natakot ako pati mawalan ng yaya. Nagkakaroon ako ng emotional anxiety, correct. Na para sabi ko, this is wrong already. Yung parang, dumating sa point na sabi ko, paano ko kaya dadalhin sa Amerika yung yaya?
Ano ka ba, iniisip ko pa rin yun? Mahirap lang, hindi po pwede. Lalo na sa mga panahon ngayon, no.
It's hard.
It's hard, but you know, I learned to value more them. Mga yaya ko nung nandoon ako, ay nakatira pa rin sa bahay ko hanggang ngayon. Sila ang nagbabantay.
Sila ang nagbabantay.
At yung anak ko, si AJ, yung yaya niya kasi nandun pa rin, ano? Nung isang araw lang magka-FaceTime sila. Lagi silang nag-uusap.
Kailan ka bumalik ng Manila?
Mula nung umalis, hindi pa.
Hindi ka pa? Wala kang plano?
Wala pa. Kasi nga, sabi ko, sa mga panahon ngayon, parang ayoko munang biyomahe.
Ayaw mo munang bumiyahe. So, hindi ka na homesick? Walang homesick na nag-
Mahirap ma-homesick. Kasi andito lahat ng pamilya ko eh. Nung nandun ako sa Pilipinas, kami ng ate ko at saka yung mami ko. Tapos 2016 when my mom passed away.
So, wala na
so
sila.
kami ng ate ko. Tapos 2020 my sister passed away. So ulila na ako doon.
So nandito ka na talaga. You found your home here. Would you say you found your
home? Yeah, because all my siblings are here.
I see.
My cousins are here. So I still have cousins in the Philippines, but they're just cousins.
So nandito ka na. You've found your home.
Yeah. So I'm home. I'm just one of those blessed that I have 2 homes. Ganyan.
Kung meron kang namimiss.
Yun na nga.
What could it
yung mga
be?
angels ko.
Yung angels mo.
Oh yeah, and of course my best friend.
Who?
Pauline. Pauline is my best friend. So I miss her and we still talk.
And you still talk.
Oh yeah,
Ilan
we
na
still
anak
talk.
ni Pauline? Dalawa na. I see.
Si Bachingching.
Oo.
Tsaka si Tally. Tally is my inaanak.
Oo. So you think dito ka na magre-retire?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Babalik ka ng Pilipinas to retire?
Doon ako magre-retire. Bakit?
Bakit?
Ay kasi doon may mag-aalaga sa akin. May maglalaban ng damit ko kung hindi ko na kaya.
So, maybe my last question is, what is your biggest struggle dito sa pag-migrate mo? If there is any.
The biggest struggle was to find a home right away.
Mm-mm.
So...
But you were able to.
Yeah. Because I kept praying. I kept praying and praying when I finally arrived May. And then I kept praying and praying and praying. And I hope I get one. Kasi syempre, di ba dito, to get a place, like an apartment, may mga background check. Tapos hingan ka nila ng 6-month paycheck, ganyan. Eh, wala pa naman akong paycheck na. So, paano ako matatanggap? So, me and my daughter, di ba? Iyon.
Totoo yun. Ako,
June pa lang, nakahanap na kami. So, I was crying. I was really crying and thanking God so much. Kasi nauna akong umalis bago sila. Sumunod,
nauna ka ba?
Nauna ako because I want to have a home when they arrive. And that's why I was crying because the minute they got here, we already had a home.
I see. So, ang anak mo na babae, nauna ka din?
Nauna siya.
Nauna siya.
She was already here 2019. So, dito siya na COVID.
I see.
So, si nanay na nasa Pilipinas, nagpapadala pa rin sa anak.
Okay.
Syempre, I had to, help her. She had no work. Yeah.
What does she do here now?
Now my daughter is a senior manager for VFS.
Wow.
So I'm proud of her. Super.
And that's all because of you.
Of her. Fighter din yun.
Yeah, but ako kasi...
mana sa nanay.
At saka yung, yung paano minold ng nanay, no?
So this is my saying. If you wanna argue with me, text my daughter. She does the arguing. That's her business, not me.
Can I adopt her so she can argue for me?
Oh, she will. She will. Yun ang QB. I call her Queen Biatch.
Oo. Kasi
No, she goes, no,
ako,
you're the queen, biatch. I'm just
kasi
a biatch.
naaalala ko kayo noon, naaalala ko yung bagong, ito ano na lang tayo, wrap up na tayo, pero
Yeah.
naaalala ko yun, yung bagong anak mo yan sa Itbulaga, parang mini-me mo sa,
Oh, mini-me
di ba
talaga.
sinasama mo sa
Oo.
Itbulaga yan?
Si Tony, mini-me ko talaga yan. She dances. Talagang, at saka ano siya, talagang aggressive. She's,
Yeah,
she's
yeah,
not
yeah.
scared.
Yeah.
She's very adventurous,
Wow. All right. So, it's a pleasure to have you, Ruby.
Oh, it's my...
And
And ang ingay ko, no? Ako yata nagsasalita.
hindi naman. Siyempre, guest ka. Pero hindi. Pero parang what I really like about this conversation is you truly inspired me. And I guess a lot of
Thank you.
people na the way you handled your family as a mother. Yan ang aking takeaway for today.
Remember, be their friend first.
Exactly.
You have to be their friend so they can open up to you.
Yan ang ating, I will leave everything with that because I think that is, yan talaga dapat ang relationship ng mga anak sa mga magulang, nanay at tatay, and also, I always say this, guys, let us not forget, and what I want to commend Ruby about is, she has helped her children to be the best that they can be. So that is always my reminder for you guys, that always get to that potential, because we owe that to our God and not to ourselves, to be the best that we can be, the best version of ourselves. So guys, maraming salamat po for this yet another episode of BB Talk. Thank you, Ruby.
Thank you, Bibi. It was really a pleasure being here. A pleasure seeing you again, my beautiful friend. And to everybody who's watching, thank you very much for always supporting my friend Bibi. And do support BB Talk. At sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. God bless you all. Be strong and have faith. Never lose faith.
Thank you. And kay AJ, thank you.
Love you, babe. Come here.
Thank
We say
you.
bye-bye. Come on. Do it fast. Fast, because, we're running out of time. Just say bye-bye to everybody. Come on. Huggy
Say
bug.
bye.
Huggy bug. Say bye. Bye, everyone.
All
Say be
right.
strong.
Thank you.
Just like AJ, be strong.
Yep.
Have
Okay.
confidence. Be proud.
Okay.
Love you, babe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.